So our next question is question number 2. In figure AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF, Y ratio Z is 3:7. Suppose Y is equals to Y is 3. So suppose Y is equals to 3K and Z is 7. Suppose 7 is 7K. So this is your X angle, this is your Y angle, this is your Z angle. So suppose these two angles are, this is Y, suppose this angle is angle 1. So angle Y and 1 are equal. These are vertically opposite angle. If the value of Y is 3K, then value of angle 1 is also 3K. So we know that the sum of co-interior angles, the sum of two co-interior angles which are inside this figure, so that is equals to 180 degree. So co-interior angles are angle 1 plus angle Z, that is equals to 180 degree. So value of 1 is equals to Y is equals to 3K. So 3K plus Z is 7K, 7K is equals to 180. So 10K is equals to 180 degree and value of K is equals to 180 divided by 10, that is 18 degree. So so the value of K is 18. So the value of Y is 3 into 18 and value of Z is 7 into 18. So value of Z is 126. The value of Y is 3 into 18. So that is your 54. So we have to find the value of this X also. So Y and X are also a co-interior angle. These are inside this figure. So X plus Y is equals to 180 degree. So the value of angle Y is equals to 54 degree plus angle Y is equals, sorry, the value of angle X is that it is, and value of angle Y is 54 is equals to 180 degrees. So value of X is 180 minus 54. So the value of X become 126. So you will obtain the value of X is equals to the value of this Z, that is 126, and value of Y is equals to 54 degrees. So this is the required result. So next question is in question number third, in figure AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD and angle ZED is 126. This angle is 126. So this is formed by two angles, that is 90 degree plus this angle. So angle ZED is formed by two angles, that is angle ZEF plus angle FED. So angle GED is 126, angle GEF and angle FED is 90 degree. 90 will subtract, angle GEF will become 126 minus 90. So you will obtain 36. So this angle will become 36. So angle GEF will become 36. So this angle and this angle are alternate angles. So these angles are your alternate angles. So जो Z the form ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਦੇ angle, that are your alternate angle. So this angle AGE is equals to angle GED, that is 126. So the value of angle AGE is equals to 126 degree. So that is also formed. So next is your next last angle FGE. So this angle, this is FGE. So this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 36 degree. Sum of all the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. So the angles are angle FGE, second angle is 90 degree, third angle is 36 degrees equals to 180 degree. So the value of angle FGE is equal plus 126 degrees equals to 180 degree. So the value of angle FGE is equals to 180 degree minus 126 degree, that is equals to 54 degree. So you will obtain the value to be 54 degree, which is the required answer. So FGE is equals to 54 degree. So all the three angles are formed. Next we will do tomorrow.